Hey everyone, Matt King with the King Piers team, out here with another video showcase of the nation's very best engineering sound foundation repair. If you'd like to see more, we highly encourage you to visit us over on our YouTube and Facebook channels. If you haven't visited before, just search for King Piers LLC. And while you're there, we'd really appreciate if you left a like and a subscribe. We are up here in Gower, Missouri. This is the first of 3 foundation renovation projects we are doing for the realtor up here. This one is just 3 cinder block walls. We have sealed all of the cracks, got our wire mesh attached, and as you can see, all of the walls are mortared. We have just a bit that we need to finish up getting smoothed out over here. But we've done our first pass with our white waterproofing paint, so we'll do another couple. Should have all of this finished up by tomorrow. And then, yep, we have our other crew on another project in St. Joe for the same customer, so we'll be heading to that one next. But yeah, right here we are very close to being done with the foundation work in this basement. We have some exterior work we're going to do with the gravel driveway. Obviously, it's quite a bit too cold to do anything this week, so we will likely be waiting until the latter part of next week when it warms up a little bit more. Everything thaws out and we can get that snow melted so we can see what we're working with. But that should be just getting the gravel driveway cleaned up, get some new 3/4 inch clean rock brought up here, get everything properly elevated. So yeah, right now we are just looking to get finished up with the first of 3 foundation renovation projects, so stay tuned for the updates on this one and the other 2. You can find all of those pictures and videos, as well as all of the other pictures and videos from current and past projects on our YouTube and Facebook channels. Just search for King Piers LLC. While you're there, we'd really appreciate if you leave a like and a subscribe. You can also visit us on our website, www.kingpiers.com. And don't forget, you can always call us directly by phone at 1-816-288-4373.